Hi, Mike here. You're watching Scout Restoration Yukon. In this video, my wife Janine and I installed a windshield in my 1966 Scout 800. Bonus, installing wiper drives. I will show all the details. I hope you like it. Let's get to work. If you want to help, please subscribe to Scout Restoration Yukon. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out.
So the first thing we have to do before installing the windshield is put the seal on the windshield. We're going to lubricate all around the edge of the windshield. Use silicone lube. Now I have to put it inside the groove where the glass goes. And this is really important too. You get lots in the corners. Lots and lots and lots of silicone. It's going to be our secret weapon. Spraying it directly in the groove. Hold that so it doesn't slide. Okay, now that everything's super slippery, we'll start at this corner. Now you have to hold that. Oh, you're not holding it, okay. I was going to do it the other way, but it's going on this way. Now, hold it. Before starting this operation, I put the seal in a pot of almost boiling water for 5 minutes. So, you've got to work the seal all the way around, make sure it's all the way in the groove. Just got to keep working it everywhere, on there, really good everywhere, which it's not yet. It's getting there. Now it's too long here. Okay, so we'll just leave that like that for now. It's on there. I'm going to turn it over so I can put the rope in. Now, you go around again and make sure this is on there everywhere. Seems to be shrinking a little bit, you see that? Now, there's another groove here. This is the groove that goes over the pinch weld. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to spray lube in here all the way around the windshield. What we want is lots of lube. So I got my string in here, and I spray lots of silicone lube on the string. I already did that several times. Now I will start with one end of the string. Just have to make sure this isn't tangled up. Looks like it's tangled up. So I'm starting at the bottom of the windshield, leaving lots of extra, and putting the string in the groove as far as it will go, all the way in. I'll just try taping that on there. It'll probably just fall off, but anyway, I'll try that. So this is the bottom. The bottom goes in first, so we'll put the bottom in, make sure this is in all the way. That's that part done.
Attention, fellow Scout enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. I hope that you're getting useful insights from my videos. If I can earn 1,000 subscribers, I will be able to create Scout videos for a long time. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue this journey for years to come. I will show all the details. Over and out.
Let's just pick it up underneath and set it on there like that, just like that, okay? Don't push too hard. Don't do anything yet. I want to be centered. I want to see where I am over here. Be centered. Okay. So now you push in there. We got to get this started, right?
The problem is getting the windshield all the way down in the groove in the rubber.
Yeah, that works. Just push in. Just hold pressure on it, right? Hold steady pressure on it. Oh, there. You see, that's going into. Gotta go down. There. See, it went down.
Yeah.
Huh? There. That corner's in, and this corner's not in yet. You see. So now, get that corner in. Down. Down. Still not in. Okay. Just push. Are you pushing in mainly on the glass?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not quite down yet. Go over here. Push in. Down. Not going in. Down. See how it went down? A whole bunch. Yeah, I got the corner. In. Okay. This corner here. Down. Feel down. It's not going in at the top here. I have to spray. There. Down. Down. There. Not going in. Watch out. What worries me is the other corner. This corner here. Starting to go. Oh, it doesn't go very well. That one doesn't go. Still not going in here, you see. Okay, wait. Just have a problem with this corner here. It didn't go in. Seems to be going, huh? Seems like it went in everywhere. We got it, huh?
Now, thanks to the help of my great wife, Janine, all the glass is installed in the Scout. Let's have a look. So you can see the windshield. It's looking good. The seal's in all the way. The corners are in. Take a closer look at that. I had difficulty installing this windshield because it wasn't cut properly. The height is supposed to be 14 5/8, and it was 14 5/8 at one end and 14 11/16 at the other end. That made it difficult. The windshield is 1/4-inch safety glass. The side windows are a 3/8 thick tempered glass. Here's the sticker here. Tempered safety glass, right? And you can see all these corners went in very nicely. Here's the back window, which is also 3/8 tempered glass. And it's gone in very nicely. The corners are tucked in perfectly. And here's the other side window. Same thing. Looking good. And here's a view looking from the inside of the Scout out. It's not perfectly clean. I'll clean it some more later. So one more thing I'd like to do is install the wiper driver nuts. And here's the part number, 862079R1 for the knurled wiper driver nuts. And they look like this. And they're attached by a cold rolled pin. So there's these two little cold rolled pins. Go through these holes here. So I'm going to go over there and install them. So I'm installing the wiper drive onto the shaft that comes from the wiper motor. So I just have to line the holes up like so, and then have to insert this little cold rolled pin in there like that.
with the brass pin punch and little brass hammer, gently tapping that in. There, voila, it's installed. I'll just do the other side too. Now I'm on the driver's side. Line the holes up, insert the cold rolled pin very gently. Actually, these pins need to go in just a little bit more with the pin punch.
In conclusion, the windshield was difficult to install because it was not cut precisely. One end was 1/16 of an inch higher than the other. This made a huge difference. Nevertheless, I got it in. All the other windows went in easy after putting the seals in hot water. In my next video, we install the engine. I hope you like it. If you want to help, please subscribe to Scout Restoration Yukon. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out.